Assalamu alaikum. Today our review about the Damping TED Talk, the puzzle of motivation. Now we are discuss about point to point. The first point is, and the subheading is content and structure. Clear intro. Open with the contrast between the routine and the creative works. Storytelling and mix anecdotes, research, and the humor effectively. Thesis central premises traditional rewards often fail over cognitive task. Scientifics backing cities study like forces ranking and candles making experiments. Comparative analysis look at the business practice versus sciences. Three motivators clear defines autonomy, mastery, and purpose. Practical example companions using intrinsic motivations includes logical flow, builds from problems, evidence, and solutions. Consequence all key points with effective me- member mem- memorable clause and with the strong cause and genetic motivations strategies and main heading is that key message motivations matter, not all the rewards are equal. Candle experiment high pay led to worse performance on the complex task. Focus narrowing money improving simple tasks about hinders others. Mismatch traditionals incentive and misline often work. Autonomy people need freedom in what, when, who, and whom they work with. And the purpose knowing what you works enhance motivations drives shift from the extreme internal motivation business implementations top down cotton and stick less effect in knowledge works border relevance applies to education goals and non profit too. And the main discuss about the cognitive and the emotions impact engaging humor light jokes keep attentions. Curiosity sparks surprising finding provoke interest. Clarity of state data presented simply and the convincingly eye opening many realize falls in traditional reward system and reliable view see peller in their job or school inspiring leave audience motivations change systems warms delivery freely create trust and balanced tone data drive yet optimistic. And the main discuss about the point presentation style conversation feels like stacking to pair not lecturing energetic pacing maintains the movements through structure visual uh, minimalist slides free of culture body language open gesture project genuine and vocal variety, tune and speak adapt to content, effectively pauses, let point resonate naturally, applicable and impact. The main point. Now we are discuss about the applicable and impact. Actionable insight, calorie suggestion, implementation, step organization, relevance, offer practical tools and managers. Unvisibility, resourceable across rule and industries, follow up potentials, inspired pings, book drive for deeper learner, long lasting, still impact minimum 15 years old, thought catalyst, spark debit, incentive, and the inspiration. Now we are conclusions and summary this review that damping strikes brutally challenges conventional view of the motivation backed by research, engaging deliveries. It's simply yet powerful framework. The three main key points. Number one, autonomy, mastery, purpose has become the correct and strong and modern leadership and education lead for the managers, educators, and individuals seeking more meaningful engagement in work. Now, this sentence we finish this review. Thank you so much.